I've done it. I've managed to take all of the almonds from the whole office. You had no idea that I have them. Who needs Halloween or Thanksgiving or even any other holiday if I can just keep taking things like this from my hair?
Oh, what? Oh, you weren't supposed to be here. It's me. Mr. Rat, are you taking my Blue Diamond almonds? You are a liar. I don't know why those got in my hand. I'm so surprised. Look it. Tell everyone. Tell them. Kids, tell them it wasn't me. Oh, Mr. Rat, I don't like to jump to conclusions, but you were talking about stealing the food in the office, and then you had my almonds. I'm the only one that eats those almonds in this office, and you were laughing about it. Oh, you are such a lover. Fine, I was stealing them. All right, let's have a little talk. I'm going to try to show you some compassion here. First of all, do you know that stealing is wrong?
No, who are you to say it's wrong?
Well, in many cultures, if you take something that does not belong to you and then you take it for your own, that's called stealing. And you know what? It is wrong. And it is actually against the law.
What? Not true.
It is. In our country, when you steal something and then take it for your own, it's actually breaking the law.
What? Oh, it's not cool.
I know that's not what you want to be. If you're hungry, what can you do?
I can just, I don't know.
You can just ask. I love to share. I would love to share some almonds with you. I don't have to hoard them all for myself.
What? Really? You'd share?
I would. Because you know what? Think you need a little lesson on what it means to sometimes having a friend. I don't know if you have many friends.
I don't need friends. I just need some almonds.
Okay, I hear you that you need almonds. But I think the bigger lesson here is if you steal, people are going to get really mad. And they could be really upset with you for a long time and maybe never be your friend. And they also might try to take it back or hurt you.
What?
Just real life. Trying to just be real.
What?
It's true. So stealing is not good. If you do that, you can get yourself in real trouble. And there are so many better ways in order to get things. You can work hard, you can earn money, and you can pay for things on your own. It helps you feel really good inside. Stealing doesn't do any of those things, and it makes people around you mad.
Okay, fine.
Mr. Rat, it's okay. I'm going to keep working with you and give you more chances. Because, you know what? I think we all need a second chance sometimes.
Well, okay.
All right, let's keep talking. Thanks for being here and helping Mr. Rat learn a little bit about stealing and what kind of can happen if you steal. It's not good. Don't steal.